Hi, I'm Laurel from Bold Commerce. In this video, I'm going to show you how Bold Subscriptions helps you manage situations when your product is out of stock. If you're tracking inventory in Shopify, Bold Subscriptions allows you to choose how you want to handle your recurring subscription orders. You can either allow overselling or prevent overselling. It's important to understand that these settings apply to your customers' recurring orders only. The initial subscription order and any one-time purchases will continue to process based on whether or not you've checked the box next to continue selling when out of stock in Shopify. Please note that if you are not tracking inventory in Shopify at all, then your recurring orders will always process. By default, Bold Subscriptions is set to allow overselling. This means that recurring orders will continue to process when inventory levels are at 0 or below in Shopify. If you configure Bold Subscriptions to prevent overselling, then your recurring orders will fail if inventory levels are at 0 or below. If this happens, then a notification appears in both the customer portal and on the Manage Subscriptions page within the Bold admin. By default, Bold Subscriptions is configured to send an email to your customer to notify them that their order failed due to insufficient inventory. This email is customizable and can be enabled or disabled as desired. With that said, let's configure the settings that allow you to choose how recurring orders are handled when your products are out of stock. In Bold Subscriptions, navigate to Settings, General Settings. Scroll down to locate the overselling section. Choose your preferred option, allow overselling or prevent overselling. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's all there is to it. For more information, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.